What's up, YouTube? This is JB back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but here's a new one. Alright, so today's video is going to be kind of like an unboxing slash install video. I got a 360 camera, that GoPro Max 2, and now I'm ready to get these good angles while I'm driving. And in order to do that, you got to have a good mount. So when I was doing my research on the mounts, I kept seeing this one mount always on like all the fast cars, even on some trucks. And after doing some more research, I went ahead and got one. And what that is the GhostMount. So let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, so let's see what's in here. This is a mount, I guess, for got the GoPro clips on it. And let's see, here's the main pole. Let me get this back out and open this. Knife getting kind of dull. They wrapped this up good. Another one up here. And I got the triple T mount too, by the way, but you see the carbon fiber. I don't know if you can see this in the video. So you got this, you pump that right there. Let's see. And these should be the extra pieces. There go one of them. And here go the other one. They wrap these up good, but see, all of them have this. And they got a bunch of different models, but I went with this one just because I wanted to make sure that it was fully secure. I didn't want no type of accidents, no nothing. So it was, to me, it was worth it to make sure to get the triple T. So let's go ahead and try to install this and see how it come out. All right, so first you're supposed to go ahead and clean the area you're gonna put it on, so to make sure that it gets the good suction on there. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's go ahead and put it on now. Now that the mount is on, the only thing left to do is to put on the camera. And there it is. I won't be doing no videos with it on here tonight just because now it's starting to get dark, but I will in the next couple days. But if you want to get you one of these, you can use code JBVisionMedia and you can get $50 off of any order over $329. And of course, you know, it'll help the channel out if you do that. So if you get one, use that code. All right, so this is the part of the video where you go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button and a notification bell just so you can get notified when I post more videos. If this is your first time on the channel, I have videos about my Ford Raptor, and I also have videos on my 67 Ford Mustang fastback build video. I'm doing a pro touring build on that, so if you like Mustangs, fast cars, stuff like that, watch those videos too. But until next time, all right, peace.